I am always a proponent for using credit smartly in your business. What is the quickest way to build credit in a small business? If you're just going to run up a credit card or a line of credit or things like that on stuff you don't truly need, don't even open the credit card. Don't even open the line of credit. But is there a lot of value from having a business credit score? Absolutely. The place that I usually start is just a standard business credit card, Amex or Chase or US Bank, one of those big banks that literally, as long as you have an EIN and you've been in business for a little bit, they'll hand you out a 10, 15, $20,000 credit line without even blinking, because the way they make money is on the interest payments, and they're hoping that as a small business you'll leave a balance on there and pay interest to them. Some of them have, obviously different requirements as far as how much of a credit line and what qualifications you need, but Amex, Capital One, those are typically a much lower threshold for getting a card. Chase is a little bit higher, and typically you have to be in business for 2 years before they'll grant you a credit card, just because they help you float things. So many things out there being purchased online these days. If you don't have a business credit card, you're either stuck with your debit card for your checking account, or you're stuck with a personal card that then makes your accounting painful, because now you're going through personal credit card statements trying to figure out those business expenses. So if you can't get approved for any of those type of cards for whatever reason, let's say you're just a brand new business, you just got your EIN, you just got started, I always say go to the bank that you're banking with. Worst case scenario is get what's called a secured card. And with a secured card, basically what you're doing is you're putting cash into an account, and then that basically becomes your credit line. So if you want to spend more money, you literally have to have the cash there beforehand, even though it is a credit card, to be able to pay for it. So a lot of times it's a very low limit. It'll be like $500,000, $2,000 credit limit, but you literally have to put that amount of cash in there and then replenish it anytime you make a purchase. Nice thing about a secured card is it helps you build up that credit score in the instance where you're not able to get it somewhere else.